What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing another open cup, and this is the color palette we're using. I have a titanium white, a magenta, violet, cerulean blue, fluorescent orange. This magenta and violet were mixed with just maybe a couple grams of titanium white, trying to just lighten them up a little bit, because I know when they dry, they're going to dry darker. All the colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium, 1 part paint. The pouring medium I use is the Artist Loft pouring medium from Michaels. They also have 1 to 2 drops of my coconut milk hair serum inside. And with that, I want to get going. So, excuse me. I just mixed up my paints, so there are some bubbles in it. I am going to do a thing that I used to do to kind of help with cells. I always did it when I was having difficulty getting cells to form initially, when I first started. I'll take the bottom of my cup, and I'm just going to put a little bit of silicone on it after I put the base coat on. That looks like a whole lot. And just around the rim on the inside, put a little bit of, it's kind of like greasing a cake pan. Just put a little bit of oil there, and we'll see what that does for us. But if you're having a difficulty with cells, that might help you just a little bit. All right, so how's everybody doing today? Yeah, I'm talking to you guys. How are y'all? I hope you're doing great. I'm doing wonderful. Right now, I'm probably in Detroit. Spending a couple days up there, visiting my better half. So let's see, I don't know. Well, let's not do that. So this fluorescent orange and the blue might have really nasty, muddy colors if they mix, which they will if they go through the open cup under the rim. So if I put a barrier of white between them, it should be good. And then the magenta shouldn't have any real effect on it. Nice spot of magenta, then we got a little violet action going on. All right, and now I think we're ready to set these colors loose out into the world. So I'm kind of lifting the cup, setting the cup down, chopping the layers. And you can kind of see it from around that outer rim, there are lines. So I just used that. We're going to continue with our theme, doing the same color orders. And before the fluorescent orange, we will put a white. And the white is heavy, so it starts to sink almost immediately. So the detail in this thing is just stunning. That fluorescent orange actually stayed very vibrant in there. And that has to be because we separated it with that white. Because you saw how muddy and nasty that color would have turned if it would have overmixed. But there's the center. I love it. It looks pretty cool.